Kachina Peak, 7 inches of snow. Westner Springs, we got 9 inches of snow. Taos Powderhorn, 8 inches of snow. And Eagle Nest, 3.
Man, they should open up the lifts for a day.
I know.
They really should.
You know, and it's still coming down in a few places this morning. Here's a look as we take you outside. I want to take you up into Raton Pass. Obviously, the first half of this video is going to be dark, but once we get the sun coming up, it's not snowing as we speak, but you can see the snow on the ground up in Raton. As we take you to our Doppler, where we have some of that snow is going to be up in the northern mountains. The metro is going to be on the dry side, but you can see it's starting to turn into a mix as we get you closer towards Santo Domingo, as we get you towards Taos, Santa Fe, White Rock. We've got some of the snowfall. You can see it again, pretty heavy in spots just to the west of Taos for this morning. We get on the other side, on the eastern side of the northern mountains, we do have a few spots of some light rainfall. Also, that's going to be pushing through Logan this morning. So we're going to continue to watch that chance for morning snow and even a morning mix. And then behind it to this afternoon and into the evening, we are going to have the clearing, cooling skies. And cooling is really going to be the big word. But superstorm track picking up on the snow for the morning. Northern mountains, a few isolated showers will be possible as well. But second half of the day, much drier. We'll even get the clouds breaking a little bit for much of the state. But it is going to be cool. Winter weather advisory still in effect through 6 o'clock today. Still winter storm warnings up in parts of Colorado. The numbers, though, outside, if you're not dealing with the winter precip, the snow, you are dealing with the cold temperatures. A lot of us 5 to 10 degrees below where we were yesterday, sitting in the 30s and 40s. We even have some record low temperatures in Grants. We've gotten all the way down to 25 degrees this morning, beating the old record that was 27 degrees. Gallup, we actually tied a record low this morning. So definitely some chilly conditions out there and a lot of 20s up for our northern tier, even 40s as we get you down into Alamogordo and in Carlsbad. But the winds, especially in Albuquerque, where they're blowing at 23 miles an hour, are making it feel a lot colder. Wind chill numbers are in the teens. Taos, Las Vegas, Gallup, all in the teens. Albuquerque, the wind chill is at 28 degrees. So the jacket, you're going to want it. You're going to want to send the kids out the door with it for today and even through this afternoon, because although we'll get a little bit of late sunshine, it is going to be cool and our temperatures are really going to be struggling. We'll be in the 50s only through this afternoon. So cooler skies for us today, actually colder skies than tomorrow. We start to turn the corner. We'll get back into the 60s. And then as we take you towards the end of this work week, we're going to start to see the temperatures climb even more. But today, pretty chilly with the 40s and 50s, a high of only 45 in Las Vegas, 47 in Taos, 59 in Albuquerque with 60s southward. So into the 7-day forecast, we do have the chance for some morning showers, some morning snow with the low 50s today. 60s return to the forecast by tomorrow. Into the north and west, we'll see a lot of 50s today, spot morning showers and even a mixture. We'll have the clearing skies through the afternoon and into the evening. 50s today, but mid 60s tomorrow, 70s and 80s towards the end of the week. In the southwest, not dealing with any of that moisture. We'll have mostly sunny skies, a north wind 10 to 15 miles an hour, but significantly cool. We'll be at about 64 in Socorro, 68 degrees in TRC for today. More 60s for our Wednesday. But by Thursday and Friday, we'll have 70s and 80s for afternoon highs. Into the southeast, we'll have partly cloudy skies. Some spot storms will be possible. We've already seen a little bit of rainfall up towards Fort Sumner and just to the north of you. But these temperatures, remember the weekend we are in the 90s. Now we're going to be in the 60s today. We will start to see a slow climb in temperature, 70s tomorrow, then 80s and 90s Thursday and Friday. Into the northeast today, lots of 40s for us, a cold day. 48 degrees in Springer, 43 in Mora with a scattered morning snow. Isolated afternoon showers and storms will be possible. Then the temperatures slowly rebound about 10 degrees each day over the next few days, eventually peaking in the 70s by Friday in the weekend. Into the northern mountains, some spots already 5 to almost 10 inches of snowfall. We'll continue to track some of that scattered morning snow. We'll see it transition into a mix as we get into the late afternoon hours, and we'll keep the temperatures cool. 37 for a high in Red River, 38 in Angel Fire with 50s in Santa Fe. More 50s tomorrow, but eventually climbing into the 70s by Friday and into the weekend. Into the East Mountains today, we will track the chance for a mixture of some snow and rainfall, but partly cloudy and dry for most of the day. 51 in Cedar Crest and in Sandia Park. And then into the metro area, it's going to be a cool one. Mainly dry today. We may have a spot morning shower. Could even see some of that as a mixture with the cold temperatures we have this morning, but this afternoon it'll be dry, partly cloudy with about 56 for a high in the foothills, 59 in downtown. The winds will stay breezy through the afternoon, making it feel even colder. Then by tomorrow, we'll be in the mid-60s. Tomorrow morning, again, another chilly start. So unfortunately, you have to bring the jackets up for you and the kids this morning. You'll want to have it out again tomorrow, and then we'll start to rebound.
All right.